Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make coconut kefir yogurt. First, you will need 1 can of full-fat coconut milk, ideally without any additives, and about 5 grams of active milk kefir grains. The quality of your coconut milk is crucial for healthy grains. Also, grab a clean glass jar and a breathable cover, like a coffee filter secured with a rubber band, to allow air exchange during fermentation. This simple preparation sets the stage for delicious homemade kefir. Now, let's combine our ingredients. Carefully pour the entire can of full-fat coconut milk into your prepared glass jar. Next, gently introduce the 5 grams of active milk kefir grains into the coconut milk. It's important to use a non-metal spoon, such as wood or plastic, to stir the mixture. This helps prevent any potential reaction with the grains, ensuring they remain healthy and active for many batches to come. Give it a good, gentle stir. With your ingredients combined, it's time for fermentation. Loosely cover your jar and find a warm spot in your home, ideally between 70 and 86 degrees Fahrenheit. Let the mixture ferment for 12 to 48 hours. Begin tasting after about 12 hours and continue every few hours until it reaches your preferred level of tartness. Don't be alarmed if the coconut milk separates. This is a natural occurrence as the grains work their magic. After fermentation, it's time to enjoy your homemade coconut kefir yogurt. Carefully strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve to separate the kefir grains from the finished product. Store your delicious coconut kefir in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh for up to 2 weeks. Remember to immediately place your strained kefir grains into fresh coconut milk to begin your next batch, keeping them active and ready for more probiotic goodness.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.